for apple.
A for apple. A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball. B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat. C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog. D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant. E for elephant.
F for fox.
F for fox. F for fox.
G for grapes.
G for grape. G for grape.
H for hat.
H for hat. H for head.
I for iguana.
I for iguana. I for iguana.
J for jeep.
J for jeep. J for jeep.
K for kite.
K for kite. K for kite.
L for loin.
L for loin. L for loin.
M for mango.
M for mango. M for mango.
N for nose.
N for nose. N for nose.
O for owl.
O for owl. O for owl.
P for pineapple.
P for pineapple. P for pineapple.
Q for quail.
Q for quail. Q for quail.
R for robot.
R for robot. R for robot.
S for star.
S for star. S for star.
T for tiger.
T for tiger. T for tiger.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn. U for unicorn.
V for van.
V for van. V for van.
W for whale.
W for whale. W for whale.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone. X for xylophone.
Y for yogurt.
Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. Z for zebra.
Now we learn animals ABC. A for alligator. A for alligator. B. B for bear. B for bear. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fox. F for fox. G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for hippo. H for hippopotamus. I for iguana. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for loin. L for loin. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for numbat. N for numbat. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for panda. P for panda. Q for quail. Q for quail. R for raccoon. R for raccoon. S for skunk. S for skunk. T for turtle. T for turtle. U for urchin. U for urchin. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for wolf. W for wolf. X for xerus. X for xerus. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.